All right, what you're gonna do is put your arm out. Are you holding it?
Yeah.
Like you're holding it.
Finger off the trigger.
Finger off the trigger though. Are you holding it?
Watch
Like
your
holding
fingers.
it strong.
No.
Okay.
Straight out.
Can't really hold it.
Slowly
Good.
squeeze that trigger, but you're gonna look down here and point that at your target.
Okay.
Shoot.
Like the metal thing or the cardboard?
Whatever,
Ari, what
whatever
are you
you
doing?
want.
Why are you going that way? Straight.
Okay.
Go ahead.
That's weird.
All right. Then you're gonna pull this back. It's ready again.
Okay.
Hold on. All right. Now ready when you're out. Strong. Strong.
Which?
There you go. Strong. Shoot. Woo! All
Back it back.
right. Strong. Strong.
Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
All right. Ready?
That's a tree.
Strong. Now, no. Stop. Don't pull yet. Look at this and put it on what you're shooting.
Okay.
Go. Woo!
I shot the cardboard box.
All right. Strong.
There you go.
All right. Now you're gonna turn it just like you did before. Oops. Here, pick up another one. These fall on the ground.
Mommy daughter time here.
Whoop. Strong, baby. Keep your arms strong, okay?
Trimming some trees there.
Not up, okay? Now be strong and then make sure you're aiming. So you're gonna look all the way down this to that. That is gonna go on whatever you're shooting, so don't shoot the trees, okay? So you're kind of aiming up. So. Alright, shoot. Oh. Alright, we'll get you some more. Pull all the way back.
Good job. That was awesome trigger control there. Awesome.
Strong arms. All done. All right.
Ari, what did you like about shooting your mommy's gun?
I had to use both of my hands and I had to do that.
Yeah. Was it easy to shoot?
Yes, and
Yeah.
easy on the load.
And easy to
and then
load?
it.
Good.
And
Would you say it's easy for a 9-year-old to use? Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Down
this
at
is
the
really
dot,
kind
aim
of
it at something.
Texas weather in the summer.
Put your hand on the
But
trigger
I'm
this
just kind
hand.
of getting
Don't
spoiled
pull it
with all
until you're
the-
ready.
No, but I guess you do.
In a little bit.
You ready?
I will.
Go ahead. Pull it. You gonna aim at something?
By him?
Yep. And
No.
then- Now you're gonna aim.
Yeah.
Put your face on it. Pull the trigger.
Oh, look at him smile.
Yeah, one more time. That's so awesome.
You're so sweet.
Good job, Jonathan.
You want to shoot again?
No,
You sure?
one more time,
One more
yeah.
Just one more.
It was just fun.
Here, take it.
In the DNA, I think.
Yeah.
This way in.
Oh. That's way in?
Yep.
Y'all
Put that
probably
hole.
sleep good every night, don't you?
All right. Now slide this forward. Yep. Put your hand on.
By him?
Middle
Don't
tuck
put your
and
finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
sleep good too.
Oh, nice. Probably.
Good job.